Okay, start na po tayo ng semis between Phase 10 versus... Wait lang Phase 7. Phase 10 and Phase 7 po ang magkalaban, guys. Enjoy watching. Mga highlights nila. Yeah.
Service number 3. Receive. Reyes.
Service. Deliere. Attack. Once again, nasa bagong silang po tayo. Interface. The biggest and largest barangay. Outside. Check out. Outside. Too wide and too strong. Nice service. Attack. Nice defense. May nakapalda. Taray. Nice set. Ibabaw pero outside. Daga by the libero. Nice attack. Nice defense. Lamang na po ang Phase 7 kontra Phase 10. Nice attack by the... Nice serve. Ang lakas. Powerful serve. Nice D. Opposite. Darla. Ibabaw. Well, long rally. Darla again. Nice one. The middle. Not over. Sorry. Serve. Nice set. Wow. Nice set by Giorgio. Good. By Darla service. Jesse. It's the check out. Nice block. Back set. Nice attack by Jesse, pero blocker is there. For the girl. Nice attack by the girl. Drop ball. Misreceived by the libero. Easy over. Doliete. Nice attack by number 2.
Papasok na sulit. Dahil si Timilos. Si Seth. Maganda set. Receive by Gia. Seth ang sa rest. Rapo na gawa. Receive again.
Check out. Darla is there. Opposite. Hinulog doon. Nice drop. Back set. Lamang na po ang Phase 7. Nice attack. Check ball. Or what? No, it's not. Check. Outside. Last na po ang Phase 7 kontra Phase 10.
Receive. Top speed. Outside.
Congratulations, Phase 7. They got the first set. Let's check the second set. Nice serve, tulop.
Paeng, Spark. Receive ball. Tulong.
Opposite. Montero again. Nice attack by Montero. Lamang pa rin ang pace 7 sa ating second quarter. Pace 7.
Napon gawa sa set. Halos gar. Chute na ng tulog. Marami mga depensa ito.
Sobra outside. Too wide. Nice serve. Cargado. Setting by the libero. Nice block.
Dalawa na lang po. Napasok.
Dumidikit po ang pace 10. Dalawa lang po kalabangan ng pace 7. 15-13. Montero again, attack.
Oy, remove. Abla.
Nice. Reflexes. Drop by Montero. Still playable. Open attack. Once again, Montero. Outside. Outside. Sorry guys, kanina wala pala yung audio ko. Dagapay de libero. Misreceive a little. Pero still, nagawa ng paraan ni Mark Montero. Montero again.
Mark again.
Nice. With the help of the net.
Yeah.
Opener. Nice. Sa gitna pinadaan ng opener ng pace 10. So, change favor. 16, 15, up to 18 lang po tayo. Up to 18. Babawi na kaya ang pace.
Sabi. Mga aswak na po.
7. Another. Grabe. Nice attack by Mark. Tapang. All 16. All 16 tayo, guys. Jesse, not over. Again, this is a semi-final round between pace 10 versus pace 7. Last one na lang po ang pace 7. Makukuha nila ang panalo. Match point. Uy, nice attack. Oh my God, still playable. Oh my God, nice play. Grabe yung defense. Tatapusin na kaya? Hindi pa. Still playable. Ang ganda ng laban. Oh my God. Oh my God. Walang juice. 17 all. Oh my God. A very intense and crucial game here in our second set.
So, kay number 2. Montero na naman. Nice job by Montero. Nanalo sa second set ang pace 7. Nakuha nila. Pasok sila sa official. Championship pala. Back to you, Brian.
Wow. Thank you so much, Russell. Okay, now we will witness the second game.